What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. These past couple of videos for me have been like a complete whirlwind. It's all happened like the past 2 weeks and it's a lot of content. I've got more broke. Today we're going to be working on, or not working on the Civic, but I'm going to be dropping the Civic off at the muffler shop because right now it's just open headers. I got to go turn on the Civic and try to get it running within like 20 minutes. I got to go pick up the tow dolly at 6. We're also going to be pulling the 240 into the Civic spot. So got a lot to do. Let's get to work. I don't even know where to put y'all. All right, whatever. Right there's fine. Apparently we have power in the Civic. Here goes nothing. It's on, I guess. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna just wait a bit, see what happens.
Because there wasn't a phone call actually.
Just waiting on the U-Haul employee to come and help me hook this up. Alrighty, dolly is hooked up. I needed to buy this. Well, actually, the person inside was actually really nice because I was helping her with another customer. So she ended up just giving it to me. So it pays to be nice. But we got our dolly. Let's head back to the house and try to load up the Civic. This is also one of the main reasons I really wanted a truck. I felt like I just needed something to tow with, even though this car might not be the best capable wise. Also, I'm sorry for the train. It will at least get the job done because, I mean, I'm towing around a Civic and a 240. Really light cars. So, see you guys at the house. So I didn't completely think this through. I'm not the best. This is honestly my first time driving a trailer around, so I'm not gonna put it inside the condominiums. I have to drive the Civic out here. Wish me luck. Well, I'm gonna try to figure it out right now. Well, I'm taking it to a shop right now.
You? I see? Mm-hmm. You gonna drive it?
No, I have the tow log over there.
¿De qué?
The truck ya está con the tow already.
Oh, see? Oh, they're gonna tow it?
No, I'm gonna take it.
You're gonna take it?
Yeah. I'm gonna just put the 240 in right now first. Civic's outside, so that was cool. I'm not trusting it too much, but it drove outside. So that's nice. No. Yeah, it did.
It sounds so cool.
It does?
I like how it sounds.
Yeah.
It sounds like a race
But
car.
is it loud?
Yes, it's loud as hell.
That's what I'm gonna go do, and I'm gonna go put that exhaust and hopefully it works. So we'll give you guys an update right now.
Oh shit.
What?
But
There you go.
hello, Papa.
Straight. Officially driving the car over to the shop. It's my first time driving with a dolly. Wish me luck. The Civic hopefully shouldn't fly off. I don't know. I'm nervous, but it had to be done. So I'll give you guys an update in a bit. So I didn't film unloading the Civic onto the muffler shop. I didn't want to take too much of the guy's time, but I did take a picture, but I think I deleted it just when I was clearing out some space out of my phone. Every time that I film a video, I delete all the videos, and I think I just deleted the pictures. So I don't know how to prove it to you guys, but the Civic got the job done. We'll check it out later. Dolly has officially been returned. Sheesh! The new rig ended up doing its first towing job, which is cool. This truck obviously is not meant for towing because it's just a 1500, but it got the job done with the Civic. It's a very light car, so I pulled it, I drove it. My first complete towing job was a success. Now I'm probably gonna need the tow again whenever I'm bringing the Civic back, because I'm not gonna drive it from Spring Valley back to National City. I'm not trying to risk that, so I'm gonna need to do it again. But for today, huge success, and I'll give you guys an update whenever we're picking up the Civic again. It's the next day. I'm back at U-Haul. Like I said, these past 2 weeks have just been stupid expensive for the channel, but I got the call. The Civic is ready for pickup, so we're gonna go pick it up. Hopefully everything goes good. Civic has been picked up, and man, it honestly sounds very tamed, which I really like. I'm honestly not a very big exhaust kind of guy, and this is perfect. So I'm gonna get home and I'll give you guys the reveal on how it sounds. So that is how the Civic sounds. I hope it captures it good on camera. It's not that loud, but also I haven't heard it from the outside. But driving it, it doesn't sound that loud. So I like it. But this is how the welds look, or the finished exhaust looks. I don't know too much about welding. I don't know if there's any exhaust leaks. I haven't lifted the car up or anything. I just wanted to look at it, show you guys quick on camera. But that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The Civic officially has a full exhaust. I don't feel too worried about turning it on and, you know, irritating the neighbors, because it's a little bit more quiet. We got a lot of work to do. As soon as I'm back from my little trip right now that I'm leaving, I'm gonna just try to get it to run good, because it kind of has like an idle surge right now. But that's for when I get back. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Chale ganitas.